The beauty of rank and rent lies in its simplicity. The process can be broken down into a few manageable steps. First, identify a profitable niche with low competition and the best markets to target. Our course will teach you how to do this. Next, conduct thorough keyword research to understand what potential customers are searching for. Our course will give you the skills and tools needed to do your keyword and market research. Then, create a professional, user-friendly website that caters to the chosen niche. We'll teach you 3 ways to build websites. 1. From scratch. 2. By using one of the pre-built templates we have for hundreds of different niches. Or 3. Just let our AI web builder do the work for you. Once the website is live, it's time to implement search engine optimization or SEO strategies to improve its ranking and search results. As the website climbs the rankings, it will attract more organic traffic. The next step is to capture website forms, estimate requests, or even requests to schedule an appointment. These come from the website through contact forms or incoming phone calls from people looking for the services listed on your website. Finally, reach out to local businesses in the chosen niche and offer the website rental service. We'll even show you how to rent it before it generates any leads, so your renter pays you to rank your own asset. When we rent a site, we put the renter's logo and business name on the site, but we still own the asset. And all incoming calls and website leads are funneled through our automated system so we can track the amount and quality of the leads, which allow us to set the value of our digital asset correctly. So to sum up, we'll teach you our process on how to build websites, how to rank them, how to price them the right way, and how to get them rented. You'll also get all of our contract templates, scripts, niche ratings, and much more. Don't wait. Join our digital real estate rank and rent masterclass and be on your way to financial freedom.